So my name is Mina. I'm from Slovenia. I think this environment and food and the view and this place is perfect for Kashmiri Shaivism workshop, especially because it just fits with the teachings. You can find this inspiration everywhere. Just look around and it's mind-blowing, and you can take, even from the environment, you can take something for your practice too. It makes it much easier. And the mauna part, this keeping silence for a few days, I've done it the second time now, and I found it more challenging this time somehow. I don't know why. But it is a good practice. It gave me opportunity to really confront myself with myself, to really have time and space and calmness and quietness to really get to know myself better. It was a good experience. It's very hard to put it in one emotion. I would just say God.